I'm partnering with Spruce to make my outdoor space a place my dog can enjoy worry-free. Let the dogs out with Spruce, available at Target. With Spruce Weed and Grass Killer, you don't have to choose between getting rid of weeds and letting your dogs outdoors. Spruce Weed and Grass Killer is safe for use around people, pets, and bees when used as directed, giving pet parents instant peace of mind. Spruce Weed and Grass Killer is easy to use, just point and spray. With the top dog of weed control, you can see visible results in as little as 1 hour with dead weeds in a day. Save now at Target and get back to having fun in your yard.